Good afternoon, everyone. I am your Sangeeta ma'am. Today I am going to take for class 9th construction chapter. I am going to take now first one is the construction theorem number 11.1. Okay. What is theorem number 11.1 means? To construct the bisector of a given angle. To construct the bisector of a given angle. So, I already did the construction. So, after the diagrammatic portion, I will show you the construction. I will explain you also. So, first, we will do the construction. We already do the. So, first we will do one rough diagram. Children, see, if any construction, anything you are going to do, first do the rough diagram. So you have to do one A, B line, okay, and AC, one angle you have to draw. In that angle you have to do the bisector. You have to do this bisector. That means this is the bisector of this angle. This is the bisector of this angle. Okay, this is the bisector of this angle. So, E, F. Like this you have to do. This is the rough diagram. So, now we do the original one. Okay. So, you take any one angle. Is any radius. You can't draw one angle. Okay, you can draw one angle. Name it as an angle A, B, C. Okay, name it as angle A, B, C. This is one angle. Okay, after that angle, you take your compass. With compass and pencil. Okay, you take your compass and pencil. Okay, you have to keep the needle in. Then take any one radius. Any radius. You just draw one arc. Then mark it as that point and this point. The same radii. You have to keep the needle. Cut one arc here and keep the needle. Cut one arc here. See, this is D. I point it as D. This is I point it at E. Okay. From keep the needle at D, cut one arc, and keep the needle at E, cut one arc. So, you will get one intersection point, that is F. So, using that intersection point, you can join that intersection point with the point A. That means with the point A. Okay, so this is the intersection point with the point A. You can, so now you will get the angle bisector. So this is the original diagram for the angle bisector of a given angle. For this angle bisector, we will see